Hi beauties, welcome back for another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. My husband and I went to the gym this morning. We stayed for maybe about an hour and 15 minutes. We did cardio and then we did the abdomen exercises. Really good workout, and we did mainly cardio today though. Usually we kind of split it like half and half. We'll do like 30 minutes cardio and then we'll, you know, focus on a group, whether it be upper body, lower body, core. We just switch around. So it is actually 11:55, and I do want to say that I usually do not eat this late. It just so happened that I'm eating this late now because I had to get home, shower, feed my youngest, and just do some other things. And it just so happens that it's 11:54 now. But I do want to throw out that I do not usually eat this late. I usually like to eat at least by 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I like to have my first meal. And I do want to point out to you guys that I like to eat 5 times a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then 2 snacks in between the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's kind of how I like to stick to it, and that's usually eaten about every 2 to 2.5 hours. So yeah, right now I'm making my potatoes right here. Sometimes I don't be in the mood for meat, and I'm not in the mood for meat this morning. So my protein is going to come from egg whites. I'm going to do like an egg white scramble, and then I'll show you guys the rest. I'm also doing a short of this what I eat in a day, so hopefully, just hopefully, I can edit this maybe tonight when I finish my last meal, and then also edit the short so they can go up at the same time. Can you just watch both of them and like both of them, please? Okay, let me show you my potatoes. Okay, so here are my potatoes. I only have I have sazon, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and basil. I wanted to do onions in here, but I do not have any yellow onions, and I like that the best with the potatoes. So I tried to make up for the lack of onion with a lot of seasoning, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna do this and some egg whites. I love super duper cold coffee. I'll make this coffee with my ice and everything, and then I'll just put it in the freezer. My daughter is looking at me, which means she wants some. It's no more left. I would have to make a whole nother batch of coffee. But yeah, this is my coffee. This is coffee, plant-based protein, and a little bit of creamer. And a little bit of almond milk as well. So good. That's good. So, I'm going to go ahead and finish that. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do my egg white scramble. Now I wanted to add onions and peppers to kind of make it like a Southwest kind of thing going on. Just add as much flavor as I can with the onions and peppers. I think I got my nail. It's alright. So I'm going to just add some onions and peppers into my mixture. And then I'm just going to use the same pan. Yeah, I'm using these egg whites, and I'm just, like I said, going to add the onions and peppers. And I kind of just eyeball it. I don't want too much, but think about that amount is good. I'm going to go ahead and add some onions, peppers, like so. Okay guys, this is my first snack. Just a yogurt. I just added the fresh strawberries, and then I added honey to it. I don't want to get on camera, you guys, because I took a nap and I still look sleepy. So yeah, I'll see y'all at lunch though. I'll see y'all at lunch, probably about an hour and a half. But yeah, this is my first snack. Okay guys, so I'm back with lunch. I'm just going to do a cucumber salad because I made one yesterday and I've been wanting another one since yesterday. So I'm going to be making two. Please excuse the noise in the background. But I'm going to be making two, one for me and one for my daughter. So we're just going to do a little bit of... Thank you, boo-boo. We're going to do a little bit of cucumbers. I still have the bell peppers and onions from this morning, so I'm going to be using those as well. And then I'm going to add tomatoes to mine, but my daughter does not like tomatoes, so I'm just going to add tomatoes to mine. Now I'm going to make this salad fairly big because at first I was thinking about making tuna with it just to add extra protein in there, but I'm not really feeling meat right now, so I'm gonna just make it big and filling. So I have diced tomatoes here for mine, and we're gonna do, I don't think I'm gonna add bell peppers to hers because she doesn't like bell peppers that much either. So I'm just gonna do onions to hers and then bell peppers and onions to mine. Salt, pepper, and also feta cheese. Okay. Add a little bit of feta over here, a little feta to hers. I'm trying to hurry up before my battery dies. I am going to use creamy Caesar dressing. It's not the best, but I'm just going to use a little bit. I actually have my measuring cup out, so 2 tablespoons is 100 calories. So that's all I'm going to use for mine, and then for hers. I'm trying to hurry before my battery dies just so you guys can at least see lunch. And this is it. This is it. I'm going to mix it up. Take a bite, see what I need, because sometimes it needs like maybe a splash of vinegar, but we'll see. Let's taste. Okay. That is perfect. This is mine, and this is what I'm having for lunch. Alright beauty, so I'm back. This is dinner. I'm gonna make pasta. I'm gonna make this pasta for the kiddos. I'm trying to stay away from pasta. I absolutely love pasta. I could probably eat it at least once a week. However, gotta find a better alternative. So I saw these in the store, these Banza made from chickpeas, the rigatoni pasta. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna have all the same ingredients in them, like beef, tomato sauce, or not Alfredo, tomato sauce, onions, peppers, all of those things in both of them. It's just the pasta is just gonna be different. So this one is for the kiddos, this one is for mine. We'll have all the same ingredients. The only thing that'll be different is the pasta. So let's get cooking. All right, you guys, this is what I'm having for dessert tonight. These Greek yogurt bars. I love, love, love these. Hopefully it's, yeah, it's 100 calories. Greek yogurt bars. My favorite one is the raspberry chocolate chip or something along the lines of that. But this one is good too. That is what I'm having. All right, you guys, so I have showered, oiled my scalp, and I'm ready to go to bed. This is what I'm eating for dessert. The yogurt bars, you guys saw the box, but this is how it looks. I'm gonna wait until I get upstairs to open it because I want to be in my bed relaxing, watching a movie, and just chilling, you know. But I have to have something sweet before going to bed, like something sweet. I have to, and that is a good alternative, these Greek yogurt bars. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.